Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and happy that you found my video. So I bought a BMW G30 on an auction not too long ago. It's from 2018 and this car had a damaged instrumental cluster, or like the face dial, the plastic one as you can see in the picture. And most mechanics you go to, they will recommend you to change the whole cluster because it's easy to do. Cost a lot of money though, a few $100 at least, and then you still have to get it reprogrammed. So it's the correct mileage, and I don't know if there's some VIN and stuff involved as well. So what I did, I went online, I had a look, I found a unit that met my criteria. It didn't have the same part number, but it looked exactly the same. So I thought, well, why not buy it? See if I can do something with it. And yeah, here we go. So this is the piece that I bought. I paid around €100 for it. This is the back side of it. I know that it's not the same part number, so I wouldn't try the computer or anything like that. I'm just interested in the dial. So here's the damaged unit that I removed from my car. Removing the tape here, and just check that there's no damage on the LCD. There's some cracks there and stuff, but it's only plastic. And this is the replacement unit that I already removed. And this is the backplate. Consists of 4 T10 torque screws. Just remove that first. Once removed, you will find a connector on the top left corner. You should be able to easily pull off this plate. So when I filmed this, I had removed all the screws. I probably should have waited because there are these clips that sit together the whole module, and it gets a little bit, let's say, dangerous if you try and remove them and the other parts are falling off. So I managed to remove the cover. Those clips, they sit quite hard. So yeah, I would remove this cover and these clips before removing any more screws. There are 8 clips in total. Moving on to actually access the board, there are 4 more T10 torque screws that you need to unscrew. And then after that there are 11 T8 screws as shown in the picture. On the recovery module, I managed to use the T10 torque screw on the T8 and ended up having to drill out the screw eventually. So all the torque screws removed, and now gonna remove the cover. There are 4 clips in each corner that you just pull, and it should loosen up the main board. If you want to change the LCD screen, you need to remove those cables by pulling the black part up. I didn't change my LCD screen since it was good, but if you don't need that, then you can remove the LCD and board together by lifting on the silver hinges. So managed to remove it in one piece, which is really good. And this is the broken part that we're gonna switch. So replace with the other one that I got. As you can see, it's quite destroyed. There's a very new and nice one. Well, not new, but second-hand new. Looks way better though. This is how the LCD looks like, and you can see, yeah, it's just a screen basically. And now the last part is just reassembling it again and then putting it in the car basically. I'm not an expert mechanic or even good at this, so yeah, be gentle with me. I did manage though, in the end. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you learned something from it, and have a great day.